The government itself is the problem and they are the problem creators. They are not resolving the problems at all. इसका कारण क्या होते हैं, ये सोच नहीं बदला आज तक. सरकार का सोच भी है ये मैनुअल स्कैवेंजर है, स्कैवेंजिंग करे तो गलत नहीं है. बंगी बंगी का काम करना ये उनका कर्म है, वो तो करना पड़ते हैं. ये सोच है. कभी सोच ना बदलेंगे काम नहीं बदलेंगे. ये समस्या है. If you think about the eradication of the manual scavenging and the existence of the dry latrines or the continuing of the practice of the dry latrine cleaning, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan few parts, Gujarat and Maharashtra few parts and Jammu Kashmir are the worst states. The practice is in too much, it is a prevalence, the numbers are too high. Whereas when you think about the rehabilitation or something, no state is doing any proactive step at all. One time cash assistance 40,000 is just in few places they distribute, but they don't give any kind of a package or the rehabilitation. Then when you come back again to the sewage and septic tank cleaning, that is we have almost like a 4,640-60 statutory towns across the country. So all these towns are having the problem of the sewage system. We don't have the proper sewage system anywhere. We do have in few places. There actually we have not covered fully, like a Delhi. We have not covered fully Delhi into the sewage system. In other places septic tanks are also there. And apart from these 4,640 statutory towns, we do have almost like a 6,25,000 of the villages. So there we don't have any sanitation system. So you are now thinking about the construction of the toilets, but you are not thinking about the facilities to develop and modernization of the sewage system. We have not invested even anything. Once before the independence, whatever it was, that is what we are thinking even now. We are using the same. And we supposed to have the sewage treatment plants every city, but no city has fully covering the whole sewage water we produce. Delhi also, of course, not even the 60% we are treating, and rest of everything we are dumping into the Yamuna river. So Indian Railways, one of the largest employers of the scavengers, still continuing, and even railway minister or somebody, they don't have any kind of a feeling that how can we allow our fellow human to clean the shit in Indian Railways. We are talking about the greatness of the railways. ये नहीं होते हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी कभी नहीं सोचते हैं. हम इतने बड़ा बड़ा बात करते हैं, हम बुलेट ट्रेन का विषय बात करते हैं, बट यही देश के अंदर अभी भी हमारा नागरिक उनका खुद हाथ से मल उठाना पड़ता है. क्यों? वो नहीं सोचते हैं. क्यों? तो ये देश का स्थिति है, ये कास्ट और पैट्रियार्की की वजह से, इसका क्लास भी आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. वजह से कुछ नॉर्मल थिंग्स होते हैं ना, वो अबनॉर्मल थिंग्स कुछ होते हैं, वो सारे नॉर्मल हो गया. ये कुछ गलत नहीं यार, वो तो वैसे ही होते हैं, इस पे क्या गलत है? ऐसा सोच है. अगर हम लोग ये सोच नहीं बदले तो ये बदलना बहुत मुश्किल है. That is the major problem with the government. Their panchayats, their gram sabhas are still engaging the scavengers. And there are the community dry latrines, even in Madhya Pradesh. And the panchayats, they are paying the salary for the scavenger. 1993, कानून has come. But अभी भी वो ऐसे ही चल रहा है. हम मेमोरेंडम दिया तो पे जवाब भी नहीं मिलते हैं. The problem क्या है? In the democracy, there are some certain procedures to actually to deal your grievances. आपको कुछ भी ग्रीवेंसेस हैं, इसका आप कैसे सेटल कर सकते, रिजॉल्व कर सकते। डेमोक्रेसी पे एक स्पेस है, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है, व्हेन वी गो इन दैट, वो रास्ता पे हम जाने के समय आपका रिजल्ट नहीं मिलते हैं देश पे, देयर इज नो डायलॉग। अगर हम लोग वो नहीं सुने तो भी बताने की कोशिश करें, तो रैली करते हैं, धरना करते हैं, मेमोरेंडम सबमिट करते हैं, पिटिशन डालते हैं, आरटीआई डाल, कुछ भी करो, वो साइलेंट चुपचाप है। दैट विल क्रिएट एन अनरेस्ट विद इन द सिटीजन्स। मैनुअल स्कैवेंजिंग, ये हमें अभी ये सारे देश भर काफ़ी लोग हम बोल रहा है, दिस इज एन चैलेंज फॉर द इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी। व्हेन द सिटीजन्स आर टॉकिंग समथिंग, the genuine demands, they have to say that yes, they must have the courage to accept something which has made one mistake, हमने किया, कोई चिंता नहीं, बट सुनना तैयार नहीं है तो कैसे करेगा, ये समस्या है। So there are the many things the government has to focus. One is the modernization of the whole sewage system and septic tanks. If it all there, how are we going to empty those things? So what are the instruments, what are the machines? Those things are most important. India has, we have only Gulf machines or something, that's not sufficient, and much more we have to do. And we are now constructing more and more toilets where there is no sewage system, so you are welcoming more and more problem, so more and more deaths we are welcoming. So this we have to understand very clearly. And there are the robotic technology to clean the sewer that has not developed. Some individuals are doing as if that government has no capacity. So this we have to understand. When the ISRO person or the chairperson or some director can come and say that we want to do this, we are doing this, and other person are coming, urban development is giving his design, railway person is coming and saying that I have the bullet train designs or something, and nobody in the country is coming and telling that I have a design for the sanitation. And no, sanitation is a kind of a subject which is untouchable for everybody. So the earlier untouchability is still we have in a modern untouchability is in the sanitation. So you have to break that. If you don't break that, we will never going to resolve any problem, and India is going to be the one of the biggest the countries where there is an unresolved the garbage, the loads and tons of the garbage will be there, and that will is creating a big problem. Besides all those things, and moreover and above all these things, the human beings who are used as an scavengers will going to continue after so many years of the independence. So actually today's the immediate point is we have to look the whole country from the perspective of the scavenger. How are we going to bring back our fellow human beings? Everybody means we cannot even lose or leave even a single person in the scavenging, out of the scavenging. Then we can declare that this is a democratic country, and we can celebrate independence with the happy, and that is actually the equality, liberty, fraternity. That is what is the day we are expecting. We are coming out of the scavenging to actually reclaim our dignity, our personhood, our liberty, our freedom. These are the actually symbol is the just coming out of the scavenging. But the problem here is they made this as a kind of a shame. So shame का dignity का देर लड़ाई है. So यहाँ हम लोग घुस गए अभी. So अभी क्या करना, सारे लोग टॉयलेट बनाओ, ना बनाए तो शर्म, उनका शर्मनाक बात है. टॉयलेट नहीं हो तो शर्मनाक. You have to understand that toilet having is a symbol of the dignity. You are going in the negative term and making the people more criminalized way. अगर टॉयलेट नहीं है तो आप दोषी है. कैसे, क्यों दोषी होते हैं? खाने के खाना नहीं है, खाना देने के सरकार का आज़ादी के बाद इतने साल का भी ताकत नहीं है, आप दोषी नहीं होते हैं. उनका घर का अंदर एक टॉयलेट नहीं है मतलब they have not reached to the stage where they need a toilet. If they need, they will construct. Why you are pushing? Who will clean your toilets? You have not developed even a single apparatus after so many years, and you are constructing the toilet, counting the toilets and going in your website every second by second, the numbers is going up, the digital numbers, and you feel happy for that. But by seeing that the scavengers are dying, so many toilets you are constructing, who will clean this? We will die here. That kind of a sensitivity, if the government loses, then where is the success for any scheme? You must understand the total. What are you achieving out of this scheme? No. You want to construct. I want to do this. I want to prove this. मैंने किया, कोई नहीं किया, मैंने किया, बट क्या किया? स्कैवेंजर्स का और गुलाम बनाने के एक योजना हो गया ये.